The manufacturer of the largest cargo plane in the world announced plans on November 7 to rebuild the massive aircraft. Antonov Co, the state-owned Ukrainian manufacturer of the Antonov Tu-25 cargo plane, said in a statement posted on Facebook that design work has begun on a second unit of the aircraft. The Antonov Tu-25, also known as Mriya, was destroyed by Russian forces in an airfield near Kiev in February. The rebuild is currently in the design stage, the company wrote on Facebook. According to available expert estimates, currently there are about 30% of components that can be used for the second model of the aircraft, the company said, adding that the exact details of reconstruction will only be released after Ukraine wins this war. The Antonov Tu-25, which was in service for over 30 years before its destruction, was built in the Soviet era. The aircraft first took flight in 1988. It was built to transport the Soviet spacecraft Buran before being used to charter international cargo flights. The reconstruction costs of the 330-ton Antonov Tu-25 are estimated to exceed 500 million euros, or $500 million, according to Antonov's statement. It's the heaviest aircraft ever built. The work on the machine is ongoing in a secret location, Eugen Gavrilov, Antonov's general director, told German newspaper Bild. Construction of the original Antonov Tu-25 started in Kiev, but the maintenance and manufacturing of its parts was eventually moved to China. Ukrainian state defense company Ukроборонпром initially estimated the reconstruction of the aircraft to cost more than $3 billion and said it would take at least 5 years, according to a company statement on February 27. Antonov Company did not explain how the aircraft's reconstruction would be financed. Gavrilov said the company plans to sell airplane merchandise to obtain additional funds and attract sponsors. Back in February, Ukроборонпром said it expected Russia to finance the rebuild. Our task is to ensure that these costs are covered by the Russian Federation, which has caused intentional damage to Ukraine's aviation and air cargo sector, it said in a February 27 statement.